Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to make a salary slip in Excel. At the end of the tutorial you will have this professional result. It's very easy, just follow each step I do. If you find this guide useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Let's get started. Well, the first step is to go to View. Page Layout. Here we will adjust each of the columns like this. It should look like this. Well, now we will select these 4 cells. Home, Merge, and Center. And we will write in it the name of the company or business. Then select the text, go to Home, and increase the size to 16. And we put it in bold. Alright, now we will select these 4 cells down here. Click on Home, Merge, and Center, and type in the address that we want. Select these 4 cells below, Merge and Center, and type Monthly Salary Slip. Then go to Home, and in font size put 12. Here, put the font that you like the most. Well, now click on the cell, then click here and select this one. Then you will write the following in each of these cells. Once finished, select all 6 cells, Home, and highlight it in bold. Now select these 2 cells below here, Merge and Center, and type Income. The same with these 2, but here you will write Deductions. Now select both, go to Home, and bold. Alright, now select these 3 cells and change the color. Then, down here, you will write the following data as is. Then select these 5. And remove the bold, and the same with the others. Then select these 2 cells, Home, Merge, and Center, and write Sign of Employee. And put several times the low slash. The same with the other 2 cells next to it, but this time they will write Manager. Now select these cells, Home, and in Borders, select all borders. The same with these. Now, click here and select up to here. Home, borders, thick outside borders. Now, next to gross salary, you will type =, sum, open parenthesis, and select from here to here, close parenthesis, and press enter. Then select these cells, home, and click here. Then click on this cell, type =, sum, open parenthesis, and select these cells. Close parentheses and press enter. Then select these cells and click here again. Well, now select these cells, view, and remove this checkbox. Okay, now you will make a new sheet here and call it database. And put the corresponding database. You can copy mine and modify it to your liking. Then go back to sheet 1 and click here, data validation. Here you will put list. And then click on source, go back to database, and select all the employee IDs. Then click on OK. Well, now we would have this list. Select any employee number. Then in employee name, type =, VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, click here, and then press F4. Put a comma and go to database. And here select all database data and press F4. Up here, put a comma, type 2, comma, 0, and close parenthesis. Enter, then click on the employee's name, copy with Ctrl+C, and paste it here with Ctrl+V, press F2. And here in the 2, delete it and put 3. Enter, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V here. F2, and delete the 3 to put a 4. Enter, copy here and paste here. F2. And in 4, put 5. The same with this one here, but put 6. Well, down here you will do exactly the same, but with all the other numbers that are in total 15. And you should have something like this. Then click here and mark it in bold. And in this cell here, type =, click here, -, and click here. Enter. Well, and that would be all done. Now check that everything works correctly. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks for watching.